They have like a little fawn and a big doe and another little fawn, I think. Okay. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. Hi, buddies. It's okay. Oh, sorry. I'm really terrible at this. Hi. I'm probably like a good 50 yards away from them, so I don't think they feel super threatened, but I'm just gonna chill. Hi, buddies. Hi. Hi. It's okay. I just like letting them know that I'm here, that way they see me. See, now the little one is eating. Oh my god, there's 2 babies. Oh, sorry. I suck at this. Look at the babies on the left. Oh my god. Sorry. I have a GoPro on too, so hopefully that helps. But do you see the babies on the left?